To Long Island now, Suffolk County, which saw some of the biggest snow totals in our area. North Patchogue recorded 30 inches. Can you believe that? Jenna DeAngelis visited the village to see how cleanup is going there and also around the county.
Shoveling after a blizzard is best described by Ashley Devlin as
awful.
And it's a heavy lift here in Patchogue, which got over 2 feet of snow. But when her sister's car got stuck in the driveway, a stranger came to their rescue.
There's good people in the world, so thank God.
This is a small knit community. Everybody takes care of each other.
Martin Paul is going around helping his neighbors dig out. In a community where some streets are still snow covered, down to 1 lane.
They did the best that they could. They were constantly going with the plows, and I mean, it was like a snow-nado. They did the best they could, and it's still going.
As plows were out on Main Street trying to clear the slushy mess, businesses worked hard to pave a path on sidewalks where in some spots we had to walk through snow to get by.
It sucks. I can't get through this ice.
The mayor says crews are also working on removing snow from these massive piles to places like parks.
What you see around us right now, these mounds, they come back here on Monday, unless we have another snowstorm in the middle. They should be pretty much gone.
He says the volume of snow is making cleanup challenging, echoed by the town of Brookhaven superintendent of highways.
Brookhaven is geographically the size of Nassau County. I have 3,700 lane miles of road. A historic storm of this size, getting in and getting those limited resources to every single road and every intersection just takes time.
Asking for patience for crews out working hard in a winter which doesn't want to let up.
I'm hoping that because it's so awful that summer's going to be great, and that's all I'm thinking about.
In Patchogue, Long Island, Jenna DeAngelis, CBS News, New York.